Hey, so this is part of our Warrior Playground at Home workshop series on how to build some awesome home obstacles for yourself. First thing I'm going to do is demonstrate how to build a precision bar. All the details are in the description below, but let me just demonstrate what you need to do and show you the parts. We've got this round section. This is the base plate for the precision bar. Then we have an elbow, 90-degree elbow, and then we have a 4-foot bar with the same thing on the opposite end. All of these basically just thread on and screw together, so super easy to put this together. Once you get it to this point, we need to attach the wooden blocks. So the only tools that you're gonna need to create this is a screwdriver, or preferably a drill, and 4 screws that will go into the base plate attaching the wood. Now, if you're going to be using this indoors on carpeting, you might want to do what we did, which is attach Velcro strip to the bottom. If you're going to be using this outside on grass or dirt or anything, and you want to really make sure that you can lock them down in place, you can literally drill a hole or two into the wood so that you can tack down with, let's say, a stake tent, a long nail like a railroad spike, or for railroad ties, those nails, galvanized nails, just to get it into the ground, and then you can always pull it up out of the ground whenever you want to move it, but that keeps it nice and secure, which makes it safer to use, okay? So this is a 2x6 piece of wood cut at about a 6 or 7 inch length, just wide enough for the base plate. We've got one on each end, and that is our precision bars.